Hi everyone, welcome to our video tutorial on how to add images to MP3 files or your music. We'll explore two methods: creating a video with images synced to your music and adding a cover image to your audio files. To begin, let's learn how to add images to MP3 and export it as a video. Run Edimakor on your computer. Import the prepared audio file and photos. Drag and drop them to different timelines. Ensure that the photo timeline matches the length of the audio timeline. You can adjust the duration each image appears to match the rhythm of your music. After that, your video will play like this. Once satisfied, export the video. Some people might just want to add a cover image like an album art to the music instead of a video. Let's do it. On the Edimakor program, import only the audio file. Drag and drop it to the timeline. Click on the Edit Cover icon, then select from Local to import your chosen cover image. Done. Export the audio file at this time. See, your audio file has been with a cover image. Edimakor definitely suits every photo and music editing need. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for joining us today.